Hey everybody, John Martinez here with
Zoe Martinez, and we just want to make this quick little video for you. Why I like my dad being an internet marketer. The number one reason is that he spends time with me.
Well, there you have it there, everybody. My daughter likes the fact that I'm an internet marketer because I get to spend a whole bunch of time with her. And that brings me on to the subject of our little video here. So, being a freelance internet marketer really affords us the time or affords us the control over our time. And that's one thing that we can't put a value on because it is our single most prized asset. And if you're still working a 9 to 5 and you are being controlled by the powers that be, dictating when to go to work, when to go home, so on and so forth, then this is really something that you want to look at extremely seriously and transition into as a full-time career, because being able to spend time with a little beautiful thing like this every day really is the pride of every day that I have. So anyway, we will be bringing you part 2 tomorrow. Ciao for now.